with TradingView. Still cannot get my indicators showing up. The chart's showing up now, but my indicators aren't showing up on TradingView for QQQ.
It's a sign.
They do this on purpose.
Oh, buddy. I gotta keep our trading session a little short today, though. I gotta clean up my room.
What time do you get kicked out of there?
11 o'clock.
11?
Yeah, I gotta keep the trading session a little bit shorter today for myself.
You don't have much to clean, do you?
I gotta pack up. I gotta clean the bathroom. And I wanted to take a shower, so we'll see.
You definitely have to clean that bathroom. That bathroom's nasty.
Oh, buddy, I spray painted all over.
Okay, relax.
Oh, yeah. Everything works on my part. Done.
I wonder what I should do here. Should I log out of my TradingView and try to log back into it? What the freaking heck is going on with this thing?
All right, guys. Structure is bearish, guys. Structure is bearish. So if you guys look at the 5-minute time frame, we broke structure at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. candle, we broke structure, guys. And I noticed that we never retested that break of structure area. So I would like a clean retest at the bottom of 7:20 a.m. candle on the 5-minute time frame. That level is 637.98 for SPY. So let's see if it wants to do it. A great level that we will bounce from is PCP. PCP is make it or break it.
Still nothing. What the fuck? Still got nothing.
I don't think market want to close.
I think they're gonna pump today.
I think they're gonna pump a fucking week.
I keep getting alerts on SMCI. SMCI is back at 45 bucks. Can anybody check for me? Are you guys having issues with QQQ on TradingView, or is it just me? QQQ, my SPY works. QQQ, I cannot load my QQQ.
Hey, for your SMCI investment, in the short term, it's gonna pop nicely, but in the longer time frame, I think it just started its bear cycle on the daily time frame. I just wanted to let you know about that.
Yeah, I was looking at. I'll tell you exactly where I wanted to sell SMCI. I wanted to sell SMCI.
Don't be too greedy because that flops.
I wanted to sell SMCI around. Well, if we hold 45 bucks, that's make or break for me right now. But I wanted to sell SMCI around 50 bucks. And then if they try to run that empty pocket, then $55.
The daily time frame just looks rough.
Yeah, it does.
Rough.
Yeah.
That means like it's telling you that.
This is
Oh yeah, look at market. Wow. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beautiful people. SPY structure is bearish. Bearish right now. As I was saying.
Okay, QQQ's
I would
back.
like us to 637.98.
I got my QQQ chart
Hold
back.
out the gig, guys.
Work on this screen. Still having issues with it.
All right. I'm almost done. Boom. We are in business, baby.
Does yours work on the 1 minute, Shannon? My QQQ's not working on the 1 minute. It's ridiculous. Interesting.
Everybody have a good weekend. Let's make some money, guys. Let's make some money, guys.
Let's be patient at open, though. Market's
Let's
looking
make
pretty
some
bearish right now.
And
Market's looking pretty bearish.
two, one, ding, 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 ding.
Still got no QQQ
All right.
chart. This is crazy. I'm going to be trading blind today. I'm going to feel like I'm blind because I don't have my QQQ to look at. That's crazy. I don't like this game that they're playing with TradingView. It's bothering me.
Why don't you just use TOS?
I don't chart on TOS.
Oh.
I like
you don't chart at
TOS.
all.
I like TOS. Well, I chart. I don't trade blind. I still have to look at the chart to take a
you don't do
trade. But I just I don't know. I don't like how TradingView's acting up. This was happening to me last week too. But anyways, PCP's right below us. Below PCP, I'm looking at 636.80s. That's that macro trend line. 636.80s. If we lose 636.80s, then bearish, in my opinion. I give market
Structure
some
is
time.
bearish, guys. If we lose PCP, it's gonna totally collapse. Structure is bearish.
My contracts are
Focus
not
on
loading up.
puts.
It's Monday morning. Let's give it some time. Let them catch up. IV's pretty low today.
This is
too.
very bearish, guys. Very bearish. PCP is price target.
QQQ just sliced
Oh,
it.
there you go. PCP just hit. I want to see this reaction. There you go. This is the best level for calls, guys. PCP. But structure is bearish. I'm not taking it.
I'm gonna give it some time. Good morning, Lobo. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I was a
Good
little.
morning, everyone.
I'm a little behind here because my QQQ is acting up. I don't know what the fuck is going on with it. Still can't get it over to the 1 minute for some reason. But QQQ is complete nosedive. QQQ is complete nosedive. They're down to the 200 already. $636.80s I'm gonna be watching today. If we lose 636.80s, I'll be pretty bearish. I'm not gonna chase a put here though. I'm not interested in anything yet. I'm gonna let the market settle. Yes, Ryan. Yes, sir. Monday morning, no need to rush.
Structures. The 200 EMA is right below us on the 5-minute time frame. I'm looking for a reaction.
QQQ bounced right off of it nicely. Nice wick off of it.
This is good. I want to see SPY now do it. I have calls on my screen for the 200 on SPY. Just want a quickie. This is the 200. I just want to see if it bounces. If it bounces, I'm chasing. If it doesn't bounce, it's game over, guys. I just don't want to step in this fucking freight train of bearishness. This is looking
QQQ is
very
breaking.
bearish, guys.
QQQ's breaking the 200
Yeah,
on the
this-
5 minute. They're gonna go south at least to 573.67. I'm looking at 636.80s. 636.80s.
I'm not stepping in this fucker.
636.80s.
Let's see if pre-market lows respects. Pre-market lows respects. Let's see. If we lose pre-market lows, we're gonna royal flush to 636.15. This is very bearish, guys. Lower lows and lower highs. Micro.
Contracts looking like they're moving slow. IVs is super low. Let's see if I can get this over the 1 minute. My 1 minute's still not fucking working. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy.
I'm gonna give it a try, guys. I have calls on my screen, 637 same days. And I'm in. I'm in calls same days, guys. Price target POC. Boom, boom, boom.
Nice trade. QQQ
POC just moved.
This is trim zone here.
I have nothing though. I have no profit.
Yeah, kid, let's do the same days. Are you in the same days? IV's low on same days
Yeah.
right now. IV's extremely low.
IV's really low.
Next day's out a better contract today. August 12th, better contract to trade today. As of right now.
I want higher than PCP. I actually want VWeb to break, guys. Let's see if they do it. There you go. This is trim zone, but I'm still in. I think we're gonna pop.
Okay, we are so
There we
back.
go.
My 1 minute's working now on
There we
QQQ.
go. There we go. Can you please test my trend line? Higher than VWeb, guys. I want my trend line to test.
My only concern, Dimitri, is QQQ is still rejecting pre-market floor. Well, this little floor that they made from 5 o'clock. If QQQ has some power to push it back above previous close, then it's a good long. But as of right now, bearish. So I would plan your exit.
I had 9 cents. It was sweet having 9 cents. I'm not leaving, guys. I think VWeb should break. And I want my sloping resistance to test. And I'm getting the fuck out of this trade. I got 13 cents here. One more pop. And I'm out.
What's the ratio? How are we looking over here today? Put side, heavy. Not by much, but put side is heavy.
We just have a lot of support below us, guys. We have the 200, we have previous closing price, and we have pre-market lows. And if market breaks pre-market lows, guys, we are going to fucking dump. So this is the best R&R in my opinion, and I'm holding. But they could go fast, so be very careful.
I'm gonna wait for QQQ to try to flip previous close for me to try to do a long. I don't like how we're rejecting the bottom of the 930 candle and 911 candle, so I'm gonna wait. There goes QQQ.
I don't like that we're rejecting. Oh, okay, there you go.
Let's see, they need to flip previous close here. If they reject it, we're gonna go lower.
Guys, I sold. I'm out. I took my 12 cents and I'm out. Measly. I really wanted a sloping resistance to test, but I sold. I don't like this. We're rejecting VWeb 3 minutes already.
QQQ's gonna try to push.
And we pop when I sell. This is great.
Let's see if it's a fake out first. I like them to pull back to previous close one more time to try it. QQQ's through previous close. I'm gonna try. This is a fucking dangerous entry, but 638 calls. I like how QQQ just crossed back over previous close. So this is where the power could come in and they can try to push. I'm not gonna take this far. If I can get, wow, these contracts are not moving.
Well, calls worked and sloping resistance just hit. If sloping resistance breaks, guys, last week's highs is price target.
Dude, I only got 2 cents and I freaking hit this right from VWAP.
I got 12 cents. I don't have anything though.
This is VWAP on QQQ. This is the 50 on SPY. I'm looking for one more push if they can do it. Right now, it's important that SPY holds 637.37. If they break 637.37, then I will sell. My contracts are absolute dog shit. These things are not moving at all.
This is strong supply, guys. Strong supply. I do have puts on my screen. I wanted my purple level to hit.
Be
Purple level
careful
hits,
today,
I'm
guys.
automatically.
Be careful today. I'm going to sell this. I got 3 cents out of that move. I got 3
This
cents.
is strong
out of that
supply,
move.
guys. Strong.
I don't like what they're doing in contracts this morning.
Lower highs, lower lows, guys. Lower highs, lower lows. Focus on puts at every pop. Focus on puts. But if pre-market lows breaks, it's kind of a royal flush. Lower highs, lower lows.
Looks like bear side strong. More aggressive. Bears look more aggressive.
Damn it, I really wanted my purple level to hit for puts, and they didn't do it. You fuckers.
I might rinse and
I'm
repeat.
in puts, guys. I'm in puts.
Never mind. I'm not going to call this one out if you're in puts. I was going to say I might rinse and repeat calls here off a previous close. Just because QQQ is still holding. Could be a potential high or low. Making wedge.
I'm just trading structure. But we could have a nice aggressive bounce here from PCP. I'm just going with structure.
QQQ's looking weak. They should pull it back. They're pinned at previous close. I don't like anything here, and the fact that my contracts only moved 3 cents is, I'm going to be pretty picky about getting back into something, so I'm going to wait. Ivy is very, very low today. Yep, there you go.
And look at that bounce.
It's a higher low off a previous close. QQQ is going to push POC now. If they take out 574.90s on QQQ, I'm going to go long blindly. I'll just jump back into calls. They have room to 637. I'm back in calls, guys. They have room to 637.80s. They're going to break out.
Oh, God. I just flipped right on the day.
I got an instant 5 cents on this. 637.80s. I want to sell some. QQQ is breaking the channel.
We officially made an expansion on the weekly time frame, guys. This is the best level for puts. This is a weekly level. I just added, guys. This is the best level. Weekly levels always hit. But we are in a crazy bullish market. So
the reason why I'm in calls, guys, is because QQQ took out their supply from 845 today, and they want to go north. That's why I'm chasing calls. That was my plan. I said if they take that supply, I'm jumping into calls blindly. I have 10 cents here. This is my sell target for half. And I accidentally sold my whole entire position. Whatever, that's fine. 1200 on the day. They should go north. It looks like they're going to pop this. If you're bearish, this is the best area to try puts. If you're bullish, wait for them to break out, and then you jump in calls. As of right now, QQQ already broke out of this channel that you're looking at in SPY. If they retest it and hold it as demand, I'm going to just rinse and repeat calls again. 638 calls.
Excuse me.
I'm back in 638s. 638 calls, I'm back in. 85 cents. QQQ's looking like it's going to try to validate it. If they break POC, then I'm out. Nice little liquidity grab, and then they try to take the high out. We'll see.
I don't know. Structure is bearish. We should collapse and make a lower low. Break of structure is over high of day. Pre-market highs.
I just sold, guys.
I think we're gonna
I
collapse.
just jumped out. It's not the trade. A little bit lower POC area. I'll get back in. I like the higher lows that we're building on the chart right now. I don't care about pre-market. All I care about is 637.80s. But QQQ's above that supply, and it's trying to validate it as demand. So that's why I'm a little call focused right now.
Oh, buddy.
This is the area I try again. I'm trying it here. I'm back in. 77 cents, 638 calls. Now if POC breaks them out.
I'm still holding.
I see higher lows on the chart. That's why I'm call focused right now. And QQQ has north power. I got 5 cents here. Nothing major. I'll probably do the same thing, same exact game plan. Trim half at 637.80s, and then see if I can hold runners for a breakout if they do it. Structure is looking bullish in my opinion, and we have supply at 637.80s. I got 6 cents. I'm going to take half here because this is where we fell off a cliff. This is the 50 on the 1 minute. I'm paying myself early today. I don't care about hitting 10 cents. If I see profit, I'm going to... I like QQQ. QQQ is looking bullish. This is bullish. This is bullish in my opinion. Higher lows. Sloping supports building. Until sloping support breaks, then you be bearish. But we have 1, 2, 3 bounces now. Sloping support. Are we gonna get a lightning candle? I feel like we're gonna get a lightning candle. South.
Oh fuck.
Probably.
Bears just seem
13
aggressive
minutes.
today. They seem aggressive today, in my opinion. I'm still holding runners to calls. Just premiums are not moving fast. I'm gonna trim some more off. I don't know why this is spooking me out right now, but I don't like it for some reason. I'm gonna take another 25 off. I'm gonna just hold 25. Sloping support is my line in the sand. If they crack sloping support where POC is 637.30s, then I'll dump this.
We keep rejecting break of structure, guys. We keep rejecting it. I'm holding my puts. Break of structure is the 200 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. I'm holding my puts for low of day.
Look at QQQ's validating that supply though. That QQQ validated above the 200. This little supply box that you're looking at from 840, QQQ already took out and they're above it, validating as demand. That's why I'm call focused, and I see higher lows on the chart. So until they crack POC, which it looks like they're probably going to try to do, if we close below POC, then I'm out. I got $12 here on runners. I'm not giving a single fucking dollar back.
Oh, buddy, if this breaks. It'll be fun if this breaks. We need to break this.
QQQ's bullish. Bull flag. Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. I'm going to add back into the sucker. I put another 25 back on to go to 50 contracts. I want them to pull back to the sloping support to go back to 100. QQQ is looking like it's going to do another breakout. We should double top if QQQ does another breakout.
Go.
Sellers look aggressive. Sellers look aggressive though.
Break of structure is high of day, guys. Break of structure is high of day now, and I will hold my puts for equal lows. Equal lows is ahead. I'm being very patient, guys. I have profit, but I'm holding.
This is my line in the sand
There
right
you
here.
go.
POC. POC is bounce zone. We're in the middle, in my opinion, now.
Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high.
If they lose this, I'm stopping out.
Boom, boom, boom.
53 seconds, I'll give them.
Sloping support broke. I'm holding. Sloping support broke.
QQQ's telling me a story, though. I think they're going to push. QQQ's still holding POC. They're validated above supply. Now they're going to break it.
Dump this sucker, baby. Let's fucking go. Equal lows. Ooh, I got 200 contracts, buddy. Oh, buddy. We're gonna fucking print right now.
I just dumped my 50 runners. I'll look for a better entry as long as we hold previous close. I'm going to switch to 637 calls. We need to hold previous close. If they don't hold previous close, I'm not interested in calls anymore. I like QQQ still above supply. I'm back in calls. This is my last chance. This is my last chance I'm going to give it. 637 calls. I like QQQ's chart. I like how we're holding previous close. If they flip this and break through it, then I'm out. No emotions, so I'll just sell if I'm wrong. I have $1.21 average. MACD's rolling
POC
over.
just dropped lower.
We got
POC dropped
squeeze.
lower, guys. POC saying stop going north. POC says stop going north, in my opinion. POC keeps dropping lower. Be very careful. Structure is bearish, guys. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. Macro. I mean, I'm playing the bigger move right now, guys. I'm holding to low of day. Low of fucking day, guys. Let's fucking go. Print factory right now, guys. I'm still holding. I have crazy profit right here. Still holding. Still holding.
I'm not spooked out yet. Giving it 30 seconds. QQQ still holding.
Boom, boom,
Alright,
boom,
now
boom,
QQQ
boom, boom,
broke.
boom. I'm out, guys. I sold, guys. I'm all out. 17 cents on 200 contracts. Woo.
Oh,
I'm
why
all
did
out.
you? Why didn't
I
you?
think they're gonna go lower low, guys. They're
Why
gonna
did
go
you
lower low,
sell?
guys. I think they're gonna go lower low.
I just doubled here. Double bottom. I
Structure
doubled
is
here.
bearish, guys. Lower
Yes,
low.
it
lower
is.
lows.
Now it is, yeah. I doubled here at double bottom. See if I can get a bounce and get the fuck out of this.
If this breaks, guys, it's sayonara. If this breaks, we are going to 636.15 if this breaks. NT pocket 50 cents. Be very careful on call options.
636.80s. QQQ's bouncing off a previous close.
Yeah. Pre-market lows breaks, it's sayonara.
I'm probably going to sell my ad at previous close here. If we retest previous close. I like QQQ's structure still. I'm not spooked out of this.
I'm going to take a little
completely.
break. I got to clean my room a little bit.
I'm not spooked out of this completely yet. I don't like how market's moving though today.
I'm interested in call options, guys, at 636.15.
I'm going to take... Here we go.
And I'm interested...
Double bottom bounce. There we fucking go. I'm going to take 100 off. This is previous close.
I think we collapse.
Boom, 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 boom. Alright, I'm holding 100. See how far we run this sucker. Dude, QQQ is just telling me something here. We got to break this POC on QQQ, and then we should smoke the VWAP right now on SPY. I have a $1.08 average. We're at $1.21. Let this sucker work. POC just came in on QQQ. One more pop. One more pop. You know what? I'm going to take 50 off here. We can reject here. This is that floor.
Trade with structure. Lower lows, lower highs.
Those lower lows or lower highs are about to get taken out right now. QQQ is bull flag breakout setup. We should launch if they break out. We had higher highs and higher lows intraday from 9:30, and then we broke it, double bottomed, and QQQ still holding demand, looking like they're gonna break the roof. We should get a breakout here, guys. I said, fuck your structure. Still holding.
How the fuck did I sell? You such an idiot.
Still
Sold
holding.
at a loss.
You sold at double bottom?
Yep.
That's where you double, buddy. And then if you're wrong, you sell.
Well, now I know. Give me a second.
I see higher highs and higher lows on QQQ. I see a big W pattern on SPY now. We should take out 637.80.
I have 638 puts on my screen. I have 638 puts on my screen. This is last week's highs. A little bit higher, and I'm in. I'm going to rinse and repeat this trade. This is sloping resistance, strong supply. I'm in, guys. I just got it. 638 same day puts.
Playing
Let's
a
see if I
dangerous
get
game.
hammered.
QQQ's breaking out. Playing a dangerous game. If they clear 637.80s, it's going to be off to the races. I'm still holding 50 runners.
Nah,
2,800 on the day. Just feeling.
I think this is the best place, guys. This is strong supply, sloping resistance, and
Trump's
last week's
talking
highs.
at 10? Oh, God. Is he really? I didn't see that. Hold on.
Rinsing, repeat.
Oh, boy. Trump's talking at 10 o'clock, guys. Thank you, Joey. Thank you, Joey.
This is sloping resistance. This is last week's highs. If this breaks, then we have break of structure. It's a daunting task going up right now, in my opinion. This is where it stops. It's a daunting task going up, guys. We have a lot of supply going up.
I'm holding. I like QQQ. QQQ made a new high, validating. I'm in runners and I have over 25 cents on runners, so I'm just gonna hold. See if we break the roof now. I'm very, very positive that they're gonna double top this at 637.80s, if not break through. If they break through, that's when I sell. $1.08 average. We're at $1.40. Anybody go long just off a double bottom without getting squeezed first? You just hit
Yeah,
freaking bottom to
bro,
top.
I'm so stupid. I wish you would have told me that before, Ryan.
I'm not yelling, Joey.
Oh, Ryan always gets calls, Albert.
That's not true.
No, he said like the whole doubling up at the double bottom is what I'm saying.
This is
I
supply
didn't
here.
know
This
that.
is where you sell some. You know what? I'm going to take it. I'm all out, guys. This is supply. And Trump is speaking right now, so I'm not going to partake in any of this. I don't know what the hell he's going to say. He could say tariff, 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 and market could just go ballistic in each direction, so.
I saw an Instagram meme. There's a trader in 2024 making crazy money, risk the reward. 2025, China. Boom.
Yeah.
Trump. China.
I'm pretty green on the day, so I'm not gonna overdo it. I'm just chilling. I'm up $1,200 on SMCI and 2,900 on SPY. SMCI, dude, is taking off. You see SMCI, Dimitri?
No, I'm looking at my position. I'm managing my position here, guys. This is the line of the sand. This is the best level for puts, in my opinion. And I'm still holding. I'm red a little bit.
Shannon, you hit 27% on those calls. It's crazy. Beautiful. I'm bullish. I am bullish. QQQ is above supply. They validated it as demand, clear as day. SPY should blow this lid off right here. We should blow through 637.80s.
Yeah, QQQ is telling me a different story. This is break of structure area, guys. This is break of structure.
They're gonna go. They're gonna go north. They get a nice pullback to VWAP. I'll jump back in calls, but it's looking like they're gonna try to go north. As long as QQQ holds above 575 20s, 575 20s on QQQ. Hold your calls, Shannon.
Wow. Wow.
I'm
Where
barely
we want to
printing.
go?
This is it right here. Let's see. QQQ has room to pre-market high, so if they run it, they should go. SPY should pop. I don't want to participate in anything because Trump's talking right now. What the fuck? Who knows what he's gonna
I just
say?
added, guys.
Let me look. What the hell is this guy saying? Donard. What is Donard talking about? He's
This is
talking
high
about
of day, and this is
homeless-
break of.
He's talking about homelessness and crime in DC.
Woo! What an ad, baby. What a fucking ad. I'm break even on my position now.
You're way too excited for a 4-cent candle.
Wake the fuck up.
I was down. I was down 11 cents. I'm fucking green now. Now I'm green, baby. Let's go, guys. That was high of day, and that was break of structure.
QQQ
That was the
still
best level for puts.
QQQ still looking like they're gonna try to hold. Let's see. What did you hit, Joey? SBet. $184. 101%. Wow. I don't know where the hell you
Let's go,
find
Joey.
these things.
Go, baby. Lamb chops. Collapse, baby. We couldn't break structure for one time. We tried one time. Conditions are getting a little bit bullish though.
Love me some S-Bet. I didn't even look at S-Bet's chart. Let me see.
Buddy.
QQQ just broke demand. SPY should flush out to
Oh,
previous
buddy.
close.
Oh, I'm waiting. I'm holding for previous closing price. PCP is my price target. I'm getting the fuck out of these these puts.
S-Bet? S-Bet. What is S-Bet? Holy shit. S-Bet's a rocket.
What the fuck is SBET?
SharpLink Gaming.
Go, go, go. Woo!
You're holding for 35 to 40? What are your contracts? What's your dates on your contracts? August 15th, that's a gamble. You got to give it more room to breathe on your expiration.
That's this Friday.
Yeah, I know. That's also almost 100% move in 4 days.
Contracts on a 100% move ticker, the IV must be jacked up like crazy. Be very careful. Prices are already dissolved in the IV.
Take your bag, Joey. Pay yourself. Take your bag. Just leave runners if you have conviction. But don't leave full size. If you had farther expiration and you believe in that price target, then yeah, but your expiration's too close.
Oh man, I should have took profits. I'm break even. A little bit green.
We're in the middle. We're in the middle of this range, guys. I'm not interested in anything here. Supply 637.80, demand 636.90. If you want calls or puts, you play top and bottom of this box.
Correct.
This is the box. All I could say is I would be very skeptical shorting supply because of the structure on QQQ. Favors more bullishness than bearishness.
No, QQQ is also in the bear structure. QQQ break of structure is 570, 564. QQQ is also bear structure.
I'm looking at intraday, buddy. Just higher highs, higher lows. Intraday.
Me too.
Yeah, you're looking at pre-market.
Me too.
I'm looking at intraday price action, higher highs and higher lows. For me to be bearish on QQQ, we got to get below previous close, 574.50s.
Anybody's looking at my screen, as long as we're below my green line, I'm hammering puts.
We have a bearish divergence in SPY. Confirmed. Price made a higher high. MACD made a lower high. QQQ is looking like it's going to try to push another move north. I see sloping support. I see beautiful sloping support on QQQ.
I just added, guys.
This is supply again. $637.75 supply.
Best level to be shorting, guys, is right there. That was break of structure level again. Every time it hits my break of structure, I'm hammering it, guys. Hammering it. We failed. 5-minute candle just closed. We failed to close above. We're bearish. We're bearish, bearish, bearish. This is a meat grinder
I
zone.
really
There's
don't
so
think
much.
we're bearish, dude. Look at QQQ's chart. They're just fooling supply. If they break this supply, they're gonna launch.
I mean, yeah, if SPY breaks this, it's going to pre-market highs. I agree. But this is a strong supply here. Yep. If SPY breaks this, guys, we're bullish like crazy. But I'm playing that it doesn't break.
You guys need to watch QQQ's chart. You guys need to watch QQQ's chart.
Yo, twice today, yo, bro. I'm fucking getting hammered today, bro. I'm getting fucked left and right, going up and down.
Look at QQQ's chart, Albert. Does that look bearish to you?
No, it looks pretty bullish.
Empty pocket, guys. Empty pocket. Pre-market highs is the price target now. I'm getting squeezed. I'm about to flip red on the day now since my position is so high. Still green. Still green on the day.
I see a W pattern. Big W pattern.
We have 3 minutes and 20 seconds to validate a break of structure.
Just an empty pocket here. I'll try puts at 638.50s. I'm not interested in anything here. $638.50s is price target. Actually, 638.40s. QQQ's off to the races. They're above pre-market.
Come on.
I'm still talking?
Probably.
China. Alright. I feel a lot better. We still did not validate a break of structure, guys. We keep rejecting it. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, we keep rejecting it. This is a beautiful rejection.
I would sell puts here. This is bounce zone. POC.
I haven't
I'm
even
selling
fucking
puts.
printed at all. Where are you selling?
Low of day. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding, buddy. I got a fucking $3,700 cushion right now. I'm holding.
This is bounce zone.
It looks cleaner on the 5-minute time frame, guys. That we keep rejecting break of structure. I don't know if you see it, Albert, but we keep rejecting break of structure. As long as we're below that level, I'm bearish as a mofo, bro. Let's fucking go.
Let's go. Come on. I have a fucking mountain to climb to get my money back today. Not like a stack.
You are wild.
Fuck it, you need some
Boom, boom,
band-aid on those
boom.
nipples.
Boom, boom, boom.
This is the middle. QQQ's not buzzing. I'm going long here. 637 calls. Try it. Best risk to reward for me. If they break VWAP, I'm out.
Boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. I'm holding.
They close below VWAP, I'm out.
I'm not even gonna fuck around. I think they're gonna make a higher low this time because conditions are bullish. So I'm gonna sell at PCP, guys. PCP is my price target. I'm selling everything and I'm gonna stop trading. I gotta clean up my room. I gotta check out in 45 minutes.
You need me to
Go,
come
go,
get
go.
you?
Just let me sell. Just let me sell. I think Taylor Gang is gonna get me.
Simp ass bitch.
Fuck you. You're the one that got fucking flowers at a supermarket.
I still like this, guys. I'm
Good
still in
bastard.
calls. We did not close below VWAP. If we close below VWAP, then I'll exit.
Port's looking really good.
I have a $1.25 average, 637 calls. $1.25 average.
Go, go, go. Come on. Ugh. Damn it. They just closed above VWAP.
QQQ's looking like it wants another leg north. We're in the middle, in my opinion, though.
Oh, buddy. Just give it to me. I'm so tired of trading on my laptop and on my phone. It's disgusting. I can't wait to get back home to my phone. I don't know how it's possible to trade just on your mobile device, guys.
I don't like that we're just playing around in the middle here. POC's here. QQQ's got some room to pull back if they want to pull back. So good possibility we're going to touch previous close. Good possibility we'll touch
Dump,
previous
guys.
close.
Actually, you know what? I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm not selling at PCP. I'm selling at QQQ POC. If we start fucking dumping, I'm holding. I am holding. QQQ POC is my price target for SPY puts. I'm very green on them. Let's go QQQ.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh, you
whoa.
motherfucker. What?
Well, I'm fucking super
What the
green. I'm going to take some off, guys. I just sold some off. I don't know what the fuck that was, but I'm
Fuck
up.
does Ryan know? I don't get it.
I was just playing off of this demand at VWAP. That's all.
They're
QQQ's bullish.
fucking going opposite. It's so crazy.
I'm holding if we do break a structure. This supply.
Ryan doesn't know Ryan is a bull-focused person. I'm a bear-focused person.
It's not even about that, bro. He gets into the fucking trade where it's a fucking lightning candle over here.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know the lightning candle's coming.
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's almost like you do.
I'm just playing off this support at VWAP. You look at QQQ's chart, buddy. You want me to repost?
I'm looking at it. I have it side by side.
But do you have that trend line? Look at they're holding that sloping support.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't have any lines.
This is
on
the
it.
best level for puts, guys. This is the best level for puts. I know I'm a retard. I keep saying that, but this is a break of structure.
Buddy, they're gonna
for SPY.
break the fuck out right now. Bears are trapped. They're gonna break the fuck out right now.
I don't think so.
I don't care. I'm up fucking 5,300. I'm holding 100 contracts if we break out. I have a $1.19 average. We're at $1.41. I like the power. That's crazy power.
Yeah,
Bulls.
This is QQQ break of structure. And this is SPY break of structure. This is do or die for bears.
I'm taking 50
If
off.
they break structure, bulls parade.
I'm down to 50 runners.
51 seconds.
I'm gonna set my stop at break even. 50 runners. Stops at break even.
50 seconds. 45, 44 seconds, guys, to validate it.
My stop is at break even, just below VWAP. I'm holding runners. No emotions now. I'm just letting this fucking thing work. If my stop gets hit, I don't care.
I'm getting squeezed. What the fuck? I should have taken my profits.
QQQ is still higher highs, higher lows. Bullish. QQQ is bullish.
6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, we broke structure. We're fucking bullish now. Oh, buddy, we broke structure, guys. We are in a bullish
Wait for the
structure now.
pullback.
What the? We are bullish
Albert,
now.
this is where you stop out because they got room all the way up to 638.
No, I already sold. I
Alright.
sold a long time ago. I actually sold a long time ago, thank God.
They got room to 638.40s.
You got into my
This
head.
is very bullish, guys.
Your fucking analytics.
Well, no, look at QQQ's chart. Look what I just
Yeah,
posted.
no, you kept saying it. I was like, you know what? I have a feeling he's right. Let me
Dude,
just
that's why I was fucking bugging out this morning because I rely so much on QQQ to trade SPY. It's like my QQQ don't
yeah,
work.
I'm
I feel like
that.
I'm blind.
Can I answer here for a call?
Does anyone else on the call have anything that they would like to discuss this morning? Hey,
Say what?
I'm taking my profits, guys. I'm all out 5,800 on the day.
Break of structures, low of day. Come on, give me low of day, please.
SMCI is cooking. SMCI is cooking.
thank you. That's
Bounces off that purple. Would you get back in calls?
Say that again?
That's a weekly level. That's a weekly level. That's a weekly level. So yeah, it could bounce from there. I'm holding hopes at this point.
It could bounce right here because this is supply. If we validate this supply, then they're going to make it demand and continue north.
Stand up tomorrow,
This is
and then
supply.
We're at
on-
Friday's high.
Whose mic is on?
Thank you.
This is Friday's highs.
Somebody's mic's on.
The issue is that we're in an algo, and I don't think they want to go that fast because look at the algo that we're in.
I just
Conditions
see,
are bullish though. Everything is.
I see sloping support on QQQ. Still strong sloping support QQQ. SPY's a little sloppy, but I don't know.
If you're
When I
looking,
see-
if you're looking at my screen, we're in an algo tunnel. So we're in the middle of the tunnel right now.
Put to call ratios even. That's why we're not going fast. Bulls are still here, in my opinion. We're trying to validate the top of this supply. Make it demand. 637.70s. QQQ is still stair stepping. Yep, QQQ is still stair stepping. Until we close below 637.70s and reject it, I'd say forget about puts for right now. We got to break through 637.70s, reject it, bump our head on it. And we got demand at 637.36. We got little small demand at previous close and then triple bottom. So there's demand all over this chart right now.
One fire trade today.
We have continuous squeeze bullish.
Should enter here.
No, this is a bad entry. Wait a little bit lower. Enter at the bottom of the channel if you're looking at my screen. The bottom of the channel is the best entry. I want to get the
Break
fuck out of
structure?
that. My position. No, you see the tunnel, right? You see that tunnel?
Right. Oh, the line. Oh, I got you.
The
My bad. My bad.
wait, tops and bottoms of that tunnel. Literally tops and bottoms of that tunnel. Conditions are bullish, structure is bullish now. So you can get call options right at the bottom of the tunnel. Wait. Just patience. Patience. I'm down 10 cents on my position, so I'm thinking of getting the fuck out of it. There you go. There we go. This is exit zone, guys. If you have puts, this is exit zone. But if this breaks, sayonara, SPY. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. I'm green. Beautiful. We just broke, guys. We just broke sloping support channel. We're definitely going to go to PCP now. Look how aggressively we just broke it. One shot. One fucking shot. I can't believe we just broke everything. POC, VWAP, and the sloping support. Let's fucking go.
This is small demand here.
Bears are much more aggressive.
This is demand here.
Go. This is the cloud support. If this breaks, guys, it's PCP. Beautiful. Keep going lower. Beautiful.
I feel like people are getting fucked today, bro, with the way the market is moving.
IV
Wait.
is pretty
People
low
get
too.
fucking.
There you go.
There we go. I'm all out. Beautiful trade, guys. 2,900 on that trade. Wow. Beautiful.
I love you, buddy, but that is a fucking awful trade.
Beautiful. I'm up $7,900 in a day, and I'm
Gut shot trade.
A fucking terrible trade. You've been in it. I don't even know when your entry was. You've just been adding for an hour.
Oh, all right, Ryan. I got 29 minutes to get the fuck out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up.
All right, I'm on my way.
Ryan, take it over.
I don't got nothing right now. 636.90 is triple bottom potential bounce. QQQ still holding their sloping support channel, so I don't know. We'll see. I like QQQ is looking just strong. Algo bullish on QQQ. Let's see. We got to see what happens at triple bottom. If we break through previous close right here and head to 636.90s.
Oh, what a rough day.
You know what? I'm going to try calls here. I'm going to try calls. Previous close. Previous close is my stop. If this candle flips red, I'll just stop out of it. Because QQQ is sitting right on that sloping support. If they break that sloping support, then we're going to flush to triple bottom. How many contracts did you hit, Dimitri?
I was trading with 1 to 300 contracts.
So you added to 300.
The last trade was 300. I'm done. I don't want to trade anymore.
My sell target for this is going to be VWAP POC. And if we really pump through it, then I'll take half off. Contracts just aren't moving fast today at all. But that's the best area to try calls. Sloping support on QQQ still intact. I got 5 cents here. This is my price target number 1. I'm going to take half off here.
Dimitri's screen like frozen or some shit?
I don't know.
No?
I just sold half here, guys.
You have a
and
candle
then-
that's not moving.
No way. Let me see. I'll refresh. 1 minute. Sorry,
down to-
yeah, it looks
I'm
like
down-
it was frozen.
I'm down to runners, guys. QQQ still sloping support intact. I'm down to runners. This is VWAP.
Guys, at the back test of the broken trend line, the back test of the broken trend line is the best level for puts. My yellow line versus the back test. So a little bit higher, hammer puts if you guys want. A Let the trend line that broke backtest. We never backtested it. They just sliced it like butter.
I love when you cut me off while I'm in a trade.
I love you too. Hey, can we go buy lobster tails today again?
Hold on, let me get out of this. I'm down to runners. I'm back to red on these runners now. VWAP POC, as I said, that was your trim zone. I probably should have took it all off. I just went down to runners there. QQQ sloping support still intact. If they break sloping support, I'm immediately hitting the sell button because we got room to triple bottom. QQQ's breaking sloping support. I'm going to get out. I'm getting out of runners. That trade was a wash. I'm back to 5,800. Dimitri, when you walked into your house last night, was the YouTube still playing
Yeah,
on our stuff or no?
that's cool. Yeah. One of our lives from like May, back in May or April.
Were we still arguing?
Oh yeah. I don't think there was a fucking day that we didn't argue.
We got room to triple bottom now, guys. QQQ finally just broke their sloping support. This is previous close. I think they're going to fool the bulls here for an entry, and they're going to break, and they're going to go lower. I'm not interested in anything. I tried. I took some runners off at VWAP. But I ended up washing myself out with runners because runners went red.
Fucking 3 cents on this trade right now.
What are you in, calls?
Yeah.
VWAP, well, this, so you see where we bounced at 1016? If we reject 1016, then bearish. VWAP's price target, POC's price target 50, everything's right there to sell. That's why I went to runners on that 1028 candle. QQQ looked like it was breaking sloping support, and now they're potentially fooling to go higher, so I don't know. I'd be very skeptical. If you're going to try a call, I'd try to get it closer to previous close, because if we break previous close, we're going to fall to 636.90s fast. Albert, I have a rule. If I take like 3, maybe 4 red trades in a row, I just shut it off for the day. It's a rule that I try to follow. Yeah, because it's just sometimes you're not reading it correctly or reading the market correctly, or you get your ass handed to fake outs and shit. And if I take multiple red trades one after the other, red, I'll usually just shut it off. Just one of my rules that I try to stick to. You got to set rules for yourself. It's important. Biggest, most important rule is having a max loss for the day.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Yeah, I don't listen to that. I know. POC just came in here. Rejecting POC.
Fuck was your max loss on Thursday, Ryan?
200,000.
That's what I want to know. Yeah, didn't you hit that mark?
Yeah. Oh, buddy.
If revenge trading was a person that day.
SPX is just a different animal. Look at the last 3 candles, 1032 candle. 2-cent bodies. Market's pinned. Tiny candles now.
I think they dump.
Of course you do. I wouldn't expect you to say I think they pump. I'd ask you if you're feeling okay.
Alright, I'm ready. I am ready.
I don't like these candles. I don't like these candles at all. 2-cent bodies. Wick above, wick below. Market's at POC. It looks confused. It doesn't know what to do. What's the put to call ratio? Put to call ratio is pretty even. Yeah, Ryan, they can have a sideways burn day today. I would draw this little box here that I posted earlier as tops and bottoms of this range. Tighter range now. Between previous close and 637.70s, I'd say this is your top and bottom range now. Hold on one second. That's your tops and bottoms. $636.90s breaks, then we're gonna flush. 637.80s or 638s gets taken out, then we should run up to pre-market high.
Taylor Gang?
Mute your mic, Dimitri.
Like a girl. Who that?
Shut up, Albert.
I thought Dimitri played for the other team. What do you mean? I'll play. I'll play.
Oh, man. Ryan. I don't like anything here, guys. I'm just looking kind of bearish to try to jump calls here. And I'd be more afraid shorting POC. If they pop it, then they're going to run right through VWAP. So wait for triple bottom, 636.90s. Potential call area, 636.90s.
I'm already out, bro. I just took a little loss and I was like, fuck it. Like, this is not a good trade. Instead of going worse, losing more.
It just slowed. It looked like market just slowed right down. We were getting cycles, and now it's just. This is looking like the beginning of a vomit, where they just sell off. As long as they respect this like little sloping resistance that they're trying to make right now with these tiny little candles. This is very controlled price action, in my opinion. QQQ's waking back up, bullish. But we got to get above that 637.36 area. I don't like these candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 10 minutes of these like little 1-2 cent candles.
I can't. Like, honestly speaking, bro, every time I'm like always selling at the wrong freaking time. It's constantly like happened 4 times in a row today, I think.
What, you're getting faked out?
Yeah, bro. I just sold and I could have fucking sold at a little bit of a profit at least.
I would say right here, 637.36 to 40. If they break out of this and blow through VWAP, calls. So I got 637 calls on my screen. I just want them to go first and actually break out. If they reject this, then they're going to try to run triple bottom. We're in this little tiny little range right now between previous close and 637.36.
Yo, Ryan G, that's hilarious. He posted a picture of Wiz Khalifa.
Look at how tiny these candles are now, Dimitri.
Oh, the range is disgusting today. I'm so happy I'm done. The range is gross. Personally, I think they're gonna do a triple bottom because that is break of structure, guys. That's the best area to get calls. Triple bottom is the best area, guys. Low of day is the best area to wait. That's break of structure.
Yep. But QQQ has a long way to go down. If QQQ really picks up the gas to go south, they're going to smoke the triple bottom. That's why I'm interested to see if QQQ bounces off a POC VWAP area. Let's go, Joey. Hell yeah, man.
This,
Is that all from SBET?
this is bearish. Wow. Oh, buddy, you're gonna get some more dinners. You're gonna fucking slice a whole animal today.
Dude, I was so jealous, Joey, I'm not going to lie. All the food that you're posting this weekend looked phenomenal. I was like, look at this guy living it up. Proud of you, brother. Keep it going. Hell yeah, man. That's it. QQQ has sloping resistance now. QQQ has small sloping resistance. If they poke through, I might try 637 calls. I just want to see power.
Guys, this is sloping support. Sloping support. This is bullish. Sloping support has finally been created. I like the setup. Sloping support, guys. This is my setup.
Sloping support from
We
where?
keep rejecting this.
Well,
On
it's-
SPY on 1 minute. That
man.
red wick at 1040. I
Oh,
connected at 953.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I feel like they're going to smoke triple bottom. Look at the sloping resistance on QQQ.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm not taking anything, but I like the setup. My
Q-
2 red wick scenario is happening right now.
The issue that I'm having, Dimitri, is that QQQ is still hanging out at the top. So if they pull back, SPY's going to smoke triple bottom.
I mean, we're in a wedge right now. Anything can happen in the next 2 minutes. We can break out or break down. This is a very crucial area. In the next 2 minutes, we're going to see fireworks.
I want to see QQQ get above this sloping resistance, 575 70s. If they can crack that, we should run to at least 637.36. Anything past that, then it's open. Top and bottom. Wait for them to go first.
I'm bullish. The biggest bear is finally bullish. This is sloping support created. I'm bullish.
It's probably like the least bullish setup that I've seen today.
Yeah, and honestly, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. You asshole.
It looks like they're gonna leak this thing out and blow through freaking triple bottom. unless they get back above 637.36 with power, it looks like they're gonna take out triple bottom. I don't like these candles. I'm not really interested in participating in freaking 2-cent, 3-cent candles. So I need some drama, some type of overreaction. Here they smoke 637.36, and I'll jump in calls and chase it out if they try to break it out.
See, you chase. I identified the bottom of this motherfucker. I identified the bottom of this.
Buddy, I've been looking at this for the last 20 minutes. Look at QQQ's sloping resistance.
Bullish, 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 guys. Bullish.
No.
As soon as we got sloping support, it's bullish.
Look at this, guys. Look at QQQ. Once they break through that, then I jump.
Uh-huh.
I need to see power. I don't want to just one little small slow candle. I want to see them powerfully push through it. Market's moving super slow. This is chop zone. There's just chop, 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 chop. I got 637 calls on my screen. I'm not in yet. I want them to go first. Sloping resistance is still here on QQQ. This is still bearish in my opinion until they break sloping resistance. Triple bottom. 636.90 is his price target. Albert, you see what I drew on QQQ?
Yeah.
You see how many times it rejected it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it rejected that.
Mm-hmm.
This is triple bottom, guys. I don't want to hit calls off a triple bottom because QQQ has a lot of room to pull back if they want to pull back. So I want to see if they actually smoke triple bottom first. And if they smoke triple bottom, I'm not going to really be looking for calls anymore. Bearish.
Holy shit.
There goes
That's crazy.
QQQ. QQQ has a lot of room. SPY's going to dump. 636.30 is his price target if they lose this here.
Oh, wow. Look at that dump.
Yeah, buddy, you don't listen to my technical analysis.
Wow.
I'm going to give you a class.
Holy shit. Buddy, my broker's off. My phone's off. I don't care. I just took a
You just took a what?
But shit.
Nothing.
Look at this. Look at QQQ. I told you guys. Look at how much room QQQ has.
Wow.
I told you they were going to smoke triple bottom. 636.30's price target. 636.30's price target.
All right, guys. I love you guys. I gotta leave the Airbnb. I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay green, everyone.
All right, buddy.
Take care, Ryan.
Make sure
I'm
you
gonna
double
come to
check.
you, okay, right now. Huh?
You're gonna come here?
I'm
You're gonna come here?
Yeah.
What are you coming here for?
Oh, you don't want me to?
I'm just kidding. I figured you guys would go to like
Bye.
Kyle G's.
No, we're gonna go to that breakfast spot that you took me before.
Oh, so I'm not invited to breakfast? I see. That's nice.
You are. That's why. That's what I was meaning. I was gonna come and pick you up first.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Albert, you hearing this for the record?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
I wasn't invited for breakfast until I said something.
That's that shit, bro. That's that Jew shit.
Albert's the RN. He's the only RN here. I'm going calls, guys. 636 calls. I'm trying it. I want a retest of 637.10 if possible. I'm in. If
Wait,
we
are
put
you
in
in
a
already?
if we put in a fresh low, I'm out. Very tight.
637.
636
637?
calls. I'm in. This is our floor. This is our double bottom floor. We can also reject this and leak lower. I want us to try to retest where we fell off a cliff from 637. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. I'm about to sell half. I got 11 cents here. Beautiful. I'm going to take half off. I just sold half. And I'm looking for QQQ to retouch that sloping resistance that I posted. If we reject here, I'm going to take everything off. I have my finger on sell. I'm down to 50 runners. If we push through previous close, we should touch 637.36, but that's a stretch. This is rejection zone here. QQQ has a little more room to go north. One more push north and then I'm going to sell. Come on. No, that's it. I'm out. Okay.
Didn't catch that trade with you, bro.
Yeah, that was fast. That was fast.
When Dimitri gets off, I don't see any freaking lines. So it's like I'm just going
Here.
off of my TOS then.
I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades, but I'll share my fucking screen.
Oh, this is your screen.
Yeah. Trump on Washington, D.C. deploying national. What's going on in Washington, AR? Something's going on? What do we got going on in Washington? Anybody? Hold on, let me try this. Maybe this will work. News. Donald Trump stresses urgency. No. Entire neighborhoods now under emergency curfews. What is that for?
Is that for DC?
Oh, what's going on in DC? What are they rioting?
Because did you hear that one of the Doge members that was part of Doge, he got like beaten up pretty bad over there, and there's like fucking chaos there constantly, where there's like teenagers just fucking up adults and everything for like no reason, just like
Really?
anarchy. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know that.
So and Trump said that he's gonna take like federal action if the state doesn't like basically
Step in.
doesn't take control of this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he basically believes like you guys don't know what the hell you're doing and you guys can't handle it. So, Trump is always with that fuck around, find out attitude, bro.
Yeah. Yep. But the problem is, dude, deploying National Guard, they can't really do anything. They can stand there like trees, but they can't really
Right.
arrest people.
I guess it's just to show some sort of like, you know what I mean? Like we're not fucking around type of thing.
Yeah.
Show some fear.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's gonna help, to be honest with you. You're not gonna change the ghetto in one fucking a week or something. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, like a show of force. I get it.
yeah, that's not gonna really, bro. These people like pretty much act like they have nothing to live for, anyways. So it's
Yeah.
like,
During COVID times, I was contracting in New York during COVID,
mm,
working with a couple federal agencies in New York City. You remember when they were like looting everything and breaking windows? Like it was
yeah,
kind of around
of
the
course, bro. It's
George
fucking,
Floyd time.
yeah, yeah. I had to board up my store too
Yeah.
one day. The day that my mom got hit by a freaking bus, bro. I had to, like, it
Oh
was
jeez.
crazy. It was like a crazy day. Yeah, I got a call while I was at work by a police officer saying, "Hi, yeah, this is the NYPD. We're just calling to let you know that your mom just got hit by a bus." And I'm like, "What the fuck? How do
What?
you say this so calmly?" Yeah, but thank God it wasn't as bad because my mom didn't see the bus coming, but thank God the bus saw her and he was like stopping, but he still hit her, so she kind
Yeah.
of like flew away.
Oh, you better
And I
hit up
mean, thank
Solomon,
God it,
man. Do you know Solomon?
yeah, yeah, of course, bro. We went to school together almost.
Did he hook you up?
I went with some guy with my brother-in-law that he gave me, and I was like, all right, maybe he has some better lawyers. So
That's a
I
that's a
was like,
paycheck for
whatever.
Solomon right there.
Oh, hell yeah.
That dude makes
But
crazy
believe it
money.
or not, believe it or not, that case is still not settled. It's been already like 5 years, bro, since 2020.
It's because it's a state, probably.
Yeah, yep, it was an MTA bus.
Yeah. We're looking bearish, but I wouldn't go puts here, guys. So I'm not
This
really.
could go either way here.
Yeah. I don't like this like vomit looking curling over from 1051 to where we are now. All these red candles. It's looking like we're gonna try to print a fresh low right now. But I also don't want to. I wouldn't chase puts here. How'd everybody do today? You guys green, red, pink,
Down 880.
880. We'll get that back this week.
Yep.
That's light work.
Yeah, yep. God willing.
Joey, I know you're green. Yeah, bright green, baby. Where's the guac? Yo, Albert, I met Joey. Joey, how long ago did we meet? 6 months, 7 months ago? January? This guy didn't even know what a candlestick was. Now he's fucking a couple $100 a day just on cruise control.
Nice. On his own type of thing, too?
Yeah, it's all him. He's been
That's
in a
what's up.
group. We've been trying to coach him, but he's taking the trades, man. It's all him.
That's awesome. I'm still not at that level yet. I'm still signal trading here, unfortunately. I mean, I'm learning as I'm going, as you're constantly commentating, understanding. Like today, I learned something huge, believe it or not. You double at the double bottom or whatever.
Well, you double at the double bottom as a this is your last chance of a bounce. That's your
Yeah,
known
yeah, yeah.
bounce
No, I
zone.
get it.
Yeah. Dude, honestly, like to try to keep it super simple, the way I trade, I just look to see where bulls are and look to see where bears are. And what makes sense. I don't really try to focus on 5 minute sloping freaking
If
macro
you don't
lines
mind,
from
is
2 months
it okay?
ago. I don't care about shit
If you
like
don't
that.
mind, is there any way? Because I try to tell this to Dimitri, and he goes like, "No, bro, it's not possible. It's not possible. You got to learn every fucking lesson." And I'm like, "Bro, we gotta break it down to at least a checklist. Okay, first, when we first open up our broker, what are we doing for the day? Okay, first we're checking this, then we're checking this, like literally as a checklist. So that way everybody's kind of following along. Like, did you skip number two? Did you skip number three? You know what I mean? To kind of have it, I understand there's a lot of nuances to it. But when we're all over the place, it's like you don't know where to start. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all in your heads. Because
Yeah.
you guys like see it already. You know what I'm saying?
A
So, but
checklist
for a
in a
beginner,
checklist in which way? Like how to read a chart?
no, 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 not necessarily. No, not that. I mean, like, okay, first things first. Okay, let's check our weekly levels, monthly levels, daily levels. Let's say, okay, then we're gonna go on to what time is news today. Let's say, and then we're checking cues for this, and then we're checking cues for that. Like something like a little bit more simple, where it's kind of easier to understand, as opposed to like, let's say, of course, the master classes are absolutely necessary, you know. But that's more of the dense stuff. I feel like, you know.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Look at that.
It okay, well, first of all, Ryan, yeah, you're correct. And then second of all, it's dude, you're everything is discretionary. Like by the minute, the things change. So you're constantly evaluating the chart and constantly trying to make different decisions based off of what you see. It's not really there's no standard to it, I guess. There's
Right,
there's
right.
hundreds and hundreds of variables. IV, VIX, options premiums, expiration dates, what the chart's doing, what tech as a whole is doing, the day, news variables. There's we can have high
So
impact
many
news days
facets
where
to it.
nothing makes sense and market opens and contracts are quadruple the price. There's lots and lots and lots of variables, and I mean, I agree that some of our classes should be condensed, but at the same time, it's almost impossible to squeeze 10, 15 years of knowledge into, a 30-minute course.
No, no, no.
It
Absolutely.
takes,
Of course, that's unrealistic too.
yeah, it's just hard. Dude,
Any
it's
business for that matter.
yeah, when somebody starts to learn this stuff, it's probably sounds like a complete foreign language, like you're drinking out of a fire hose, trying to keep your head above water to understand it, but it just
Yeah,
takes
I kind
time,
of
dude.
feel that way.
Yeah, it takes time. The biggest thing that you're gonna do is just have to watch the charts. You have to learn the charts. You have to learn how SPY acts. You have to learn the relationship between SPY and QQQ. The more time you spend in the charts, the more things will start clicking, and then you'll see setups without before we even call them out.
Right, right.
Right now,
Yeah,
I see
yeah. I can't
bearishness.
wait for that.
Right now, I see bearishness. I see QQQ. QQQ's bearish. Fast track sloping resistance on QQQ. SPY also has sloping resistance, but we're in the middle on QQQ and we're at low a day on SPY. So this is just pinned. QQQ breaks the floor and they dump. SPY is gonna go for a freaking roller coaster south, in my opinion. But I don't know, Albert. I'm open to trying new things and different types of classes. It's you guys are the ones that are trying to learn. So if you can come up with ideas that will make us improve our
I
education, that's
promise you, bro, once, God willing, I learn this, I promise you, bro, I will come up with a system with where it's gonna be a little bit more simple, but of course that's for like the very beginner traders, and as they're getting more and more interested, they're gonna gradually wanna get more interested in the more technical stuff, is all
yeah.
I'm saying. You know what I mean? But first it's like to kind of give them that a little bit of momentum. It's like, okay, you're getting it good, you're getting the rookie stuff, So it's like everything else, I guess. You
Yeah.
want to have like little milestones and you feel like, wow, I'm getting some momentum here. I'm getting it.
But most of the rookie stuff is open source, like it's free. Like You know, you can go on YouTube and there's hundreds and hundreds of videos of learning that are out there.
Right.
Yo,
Right. How do we send the video that I have from when I came down to Florida to him? Because that was all new people stuff.
you gotta do it on Dropbox or not Dropbox, Google Drive. So load it into Google Drive and then share him the Google Drive, or just send it to me. I'll
Albert,
post
send
it
me
in.
your email. Oh, okay.
Send it to me. I'll post it in the masterclass section.
Because that's what helped me a lot. Like, I noticed with you two, D's good with the technical stuff, but he's not for a new person. You did more for the newer side.
Mm-hmm.
Even like the candlesticks chart that you made me buy, a lot of that stuff just helped me understand more and more. And, you know, he does pretty well already. He's making money. So I think if he finds the fundamentals that you were teaching me in the beginning, that's key for him.
Yeah. Albert, I think you just got to be a little more patient. I think you're getting excited.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
you hear
no,
you hear Dimitri jumping in, you hear me jumping in, and then you're kind of like, what do I pick? Who do I follow? You know. You also have to learn both of Dimitri and our trading styles are different. If you haven't figured that out by now,
yes, I have.
Unless I'm completely trapped, I'm guilty as charged. But I try not to hold for a macro move. Like I wouldn't be looking at calls here expecting it to go back to the top of the channel. It very well could go back to the top of the channel, but that's, you know, I like the little tiny cycles to just get your 10, 15 cents and then hold runners for a breakout for a bigger move.
Got it.
QQQ is about to crack
Albert, I
previous
noticed-
close.
Albert, when I follow Dimitri, I always give myself 2 days extra, like the expiration, because I know that his move's gonna be correct. It just might take a couple hours.
Right.
And I have a small account, so I don't want to get burnt up. You know what I mean? I only have buying power, let's say, of 3,000. So I got to give myself time, because if I'm buying 2 contracts, I'm not going to sell with Ryan at the 10 cents. I'm going to put my stop loss there so that I am green no matter what, but I hold longer.
Right. Interesting. Okay.
It just takes time. That's the biggest thing. Have you ever traded options before, Albert, or is this all brand new?
Yeah. No, I have.
Okay. Have you ever had like some big wins?
I mean, overall, I would say I was negative
Yeah.
in options. I was red. I would definitely say I was red overall.
Yeah.
I was up and down. You know what I'm saying? You
Yeah.
could win a couple of thousand, and then you know what I mean?
The most dangerous thing for new traders is actually making a lot of money when you're inexperienced, because then you just think you can do it over and over and over again, and that's how your account goes bye-bye.
Yep. No, but I'm gonna say this again. I'm grateful for this group. I would have to say I am confident that I will learn way more here than all the other spots I was kind of dabbling in. You know what I
You'll
mean?
learn. You just have to be patient, and you have to know what setups to take, and you have to identify your risk, how much you're willing to risk, you know?
You know what it is? I think because I have money in it, it's clouding my logical mind to actually learn, and instead my emotions are kicking in. You know what I mean?
Did you listen to my
And it's
psychology class?
No.
Listen to my psychology class.
Where's that?
It's in the masterclass videos.
Oh, it's in the masterclass video. Okay.
Yeah. I'll do another one soon. Like a refresher. Yeah, exactly, Norville. Dude, it happened to me, man. I remember, I think it was before I joined Williams' group. I just went right in opening candle. I remember I went in puts, and it was just like a bleed day, and I made like 40,000 by accident, and I was just blown away. And then I lost that 40,000 that same week, I'm pretty sure, or the next week, the following week. So you just think you can rinse and repeat it, and then you start doing math in your head. If I make 40,000 a day, it's not realistic. You know?
I'm already having those things in my head. Well, if I make $1,000 a day, you know what I'm saying?
You could do $1,000 a day very, very risk-free with the proper sizing. If you're sized correctly, you can do $1,000 a day. Very, very easy.
Well,
If you're,
he was telling me about like 20 to 30 grand. I have to go in and just wait for like a 10 cent.
I mean, dude, I'm hitting like my trades. They're $1. The contracts are $1, $1.20. So you're talking $10,000 to $12,000 for 10 cents to make $1,000. It's 10%.
So how much would I have to go in? Like, let's say for a 10 cent trade, let's say if I'm looking for it to make $1,000,
100 contracts.
it would have to be 100 contracts.
Yeah.
Oh
But
yeah,
you-
that's math. Exactly, 10%.
But you have to respect your loss, your max. You
So
cannot.
you're saying 100 G's if it's a dollar, let's say for the isn't that like 100 G's?
No. It's times 100. So like right now, I'm looking at 636 calls. If I bought 100 of these, it would cost me 12,000. They're $1.25. Cost me 12,500.
Shit,
Right
I'm doing my
here,
fucking math wrong.
right here from $1.27. We just popped up on this candle. We're at $1. From $1.25, we're at $1.31. Right, just from this little move right here, that's $500. That's why the more capital you
But
have,
what would your
the
yeah,
easier
no. I mean,
the easier it is
I
to,
could
to
do
make
that for
make
sure, but
money. It's
I'm not
just
doing it.
if you get caught on the wrong side of it, that's when it gets dangerous. Right here, look
And
at
what
this.
is your rule of thumb?
For what?
Like, let's say, okay, for instance, you get 100 contracts in. What's your stop loss? Like, how much percent would you say is a safe percentage to like,
I don't
okay, take this here?
I don't really look at the numbers now when I trade. I look at the chart. So
Uh-huh.
if I was in calls here and we just completely lost the floor, I would probably dump it, because there's not much below us. 636 potential is our bounce zone. So maybe if I had a cushion on the day, I would hold to 636 and double at 636. If we lost the floor from $1.25 entry, you would be green here. You'd be up $700 here.
Much faster would I have learned if I illegally kidnapped you for a couple of days? I'm saying, imagine, just fucking teach me this shit. It wouldn't work. I still feel like it wouldn't work. Even if you were with me every day, you would still tell me, yeah, you just got to keep looking at it, keep looking at it, keep looking at it, and your eyes are just gonna finally understand ultimately.
Yeah. I mean, dude, it's more of an average game. Like you're gonna say you throw 100 darts at the dartboard and 90 of your darts miss and only 10 of your darts hit. If your 90 darts like for losses are smaller than your wins, you'll still come out on top at the end of the year. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like as long as you respect your drawdowns and your losses, or you're stopping out where you're supposed to stop, like your 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So, meaning you stop out at $1,000, but you take profit at 3,000. If your losing trades aren't wiping out your winners more than a couple of your winners, then your average, you'll be on top. It's the law of averages. You'll be on top.
Yeah, no, you guys are constantly doing that. You guys are constantly.
So look at,
like,
for example, right here, Albert, what I just said, those 636 calls were $1.25. They're at $1.41 right now. So if you hit 100 contracts there, you'd be well over $1,000, almost $2,000 on this trade. And that's it. It's a very small move. You're not looking for a unrealistic price target of the high a day. You're just playing a cycle, 1, 2, 3 candles. That's it.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that yet till I feel
No,
confident.
I
As soon
don't.
as
I'm not telling you to
as
hit
soon as I
100
feel
contracts.
confident, bro,
I'm
I'm
just
definitely hammering 100 contracts at a time.
I'm just saying, I think another big issue that new traders deal with on small accounts is that their position sizing is so low. When they get a 15, 20 cent premium move, you guys look at it and you're like, oh, what the fuck am I going to do with $20? Like $20 on 20 cents on premiums is more than enough. That's $2,000 if you're sized appropriately. You know?
Yeah, but you have to be right. You got to make sure you're also right, and I mean, somewhat.
Yeah,
You
but
know, somewhat
if you're
consistent.
wrong, you sell it. Look at this call play, man. This is 25 cents, so $2,500 just from us talking. 3 candles, 3 minutes. QQQ is actually trying to bust through their sloping resistance. They could go. They can go. They can head to VWAP right now. 637.30s if they flip this. Did anybody hit that? Fuck, this might be a crazy trade. QQQ, they just broke sloping resistance on QQQ. Wow. Joey, you're in? No, nobody hit it. I love when you guys excite me and somebody just posts up like a banger and they're up like freaking 10 grand.
Aren't we? Didn't you say we're in calls now? Bullish.
Yeah, QQQ broke through their sloping resistance. You see this? Sloping
Yeah,
resistance
I see.
line. They poke through. SPY's got room to right here. 637.36. This is supply. I would trim some off here if you were holding calls because it's previous close. It's possible rejection zone. This was our floor. And then we broke through our floor. This could be a retest of our floor to head south. If they flip this and stay above this, then right here, 637.36. Albert, did you get around to checking out the website? Dimitri and I put in a lot of work on the website over the
Yeah,
weekend.
I saw the mobile version. I'm gonna take a look at the. I was just busy with the family this weekend. I didn't even
No,
get
dude,
on
you're
my
good.
computer. I'm gonna check it out today,
Yeah,
sure.
I'm probably gonna jump
But I
off
definitely
anyway.
like the beginning. I definitely like the. So far, I liked it a lot better.
Yeah, yeah. We we were messing around with coding. I never really did coding before, so it took us like 5-6 hours to mess with it. But
Oh, what I would do if I was you, bro, I wouldn't like. I don't know, unless you enjoy doing it. I didn't really spend time doing all that. I would rather hire a VA like online that charges like pretty much nothing. You know what I mean? And you could just have them do these things for you. You
yeah,
know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I want to do this, I want to do that. You know what I mean? You could definitely like you'd rather do that, honestly. It'll be more professional. They'll give you more ideas. Um, Trust me, bro, it works out way better. I used to do all these things on my own
yeah,
also.
yeah. It's fun. It's fun. I kind of like it, but
Look, if you have the time, sure, do it.
yeah, I got the time. I got the time. But look at this. Now we're back to previous close. So, QQQ is above sloping resistance, looking like they're trying to be bullish. Thinking that we break through previous close. MACD's curling up, but we're back to the drama zone, chop zone. It's probably going to be it for me. I'm going to shut the broker off. Yeah, yeah, Joey. This was our bounce zone from our little chop earlier. POC is right at VWAP, so I can imagine they try to stick around 637.30s. If they blow through that supply from 1045, 1039, 1030, this supply here, then we have a nice push. But we're in a very tight range today, guys. We're in like $1 range. If you really look from top to bottom, it's only $1. It's not much.
I took a stab at 637 calls earlier.
Huh?
Still in it. Took a stab at 637 calls.
When we were talking? Did you
Yeah, I got it around
get in at
right.
like $1.25 when I...
No. At that white line.
Oh, right here.
No, up.
Here.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is dangerous. This is dangerous because this was our floor. So we have to validate this and hold this. If they break this, then we're going to come all the way back down. QQQ is looking bullish. They're above sloping resistance. My sell target for you would be right here in this area. 637.36. If they break through this, then that's a nice move. But we got POC here, so they're going to try to control the price and just chop sideways in here.
Barely moving these contracts, honestly.
Yeah, it's barely moving, man, because we're in. Even though you're seeing candles on the chart, you have to look at the price too. We're only in $1. This top to bottom is only $1. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's not a big range today. It's a very tight range today. Like look at Friday compared to the range that we traded today.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we're very tight range. I don't know why my fucking 1 minute chart is so slow. TradingView's been acting up lately.
I'm up 6 fucking cents on this trade, bro. 8 cents. 7.
Look at my TradingView, man. My TradingView is god awful today.
I don't know what the hell is going on with your shit, bro.
Nothing's
so weird.
Nothing's fucking loading. And I'm pretty sure like my Wi-Fi should be fast. Let me check my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi should be cooking. Yeah, my Wi-Fi is freaking 600 megabytes. It's not my Wi-Fi. It's TradingView.
Is it maybe your cookies?
I don't know. When I get off, I'm just gonna clear everything, restart the computer. But I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna go link up with Dimitri. He's got to go to the airport in a little bit, so.
Cool. Brian, thank you, bro. Thank you
man.
for.
Yeah, it's Monday. Don't overtrade today, man. That's it. It's Monday. We got the whole week ahead of us.
No. I have to go to work, bro. I really got a lot of shit to do today, and I'm just being a degenerate right now.
Yeah, no, you're good. Just when you see profit, take it. That's my best advice. So, all right, guys.
Appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you guys too. I'll talk to you.